Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel a subscription on Apple. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and open up your settings. Go back from this section and then go ahead, tap on your profile likewise. Once you have done that, you're going to go to this subscription section, and here you will find all of the subscription that your account has done with Apple or with Apple Pay. Once you have found, you're going to go ahead, tap on them, and then you will find an option of cancel subscription. Tap on the cancel subscription, and there you go. You can also turn off the automatic payment that you have turned off, and then you can choose to let it be, and the next time you want to use the subscription, you can turn on the payment to use it. But if you want to remove it entirely, you can go ahead, tap on cancel subscription, and there you go. The subscription will be cancelled, and that's it. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.